How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video, and today we have a whole lot of races in this video, and we have a few wild racers. I just pretty much carry my GoPro with me at all times now, because if someone wants to race, I gotta have it ready to race. And if I see a racer, well, it's ready to record. And we got a couple racers caught on camera. I was seeing if they were down to run it. They weren't down. Anyway, we got races in the Supra. We have some older races in the Mustang that I never posted right before it blew up. And then we have a couple oddball races where I was in a couple of my buddies' cars and we were just out having fun. Anyway, guys, if you want to see more videos like this one, hit that thumbs up and let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, hold up. Who the hell gave the V6 Mustang the sticker pack and the electrical tape? Run LOL on the taillights, big pony on this side. And then I was like, alright, maybe he's got something cool underneath the hood. Let me try to antagonize him. Let me try to get him in a race. Now, what he had underneath, as I should say, underneath the car, is he flipped the switch really quick and he activated the neon underglow. Look at that. He had a flex on me like that. Boy, I'm just in a Mark IV Supra. You don't gotta ruin my career like that. I had to catch it for the gram real quick. You guys know how I am. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Faster. 1, 2, 3. Racer acquired. Let's take a peek. I'm wondering what he's got. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here, little racer. Come here, little racer. Come here. Oh, what is it? Oh, what is it? Oh! Oh, the RS! No! No! The RS with the whole appearance package to make it look like a Z01. Oh no. No. Oh no. If you wanted a race car so much, you could have just bought the SS. Why did you have to do this to your RS? Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't feel good about it, I'll tell you that. Alright guys, well, we saw a whole lot of racing. We were breaking in the Supra, getting used to the setup, and I had a lot of fun doing it. I love just cruising and having someone pull up on me and just, just having some fun. Just two car enthusiasts having some fun. Now when you go and you do this to your car, I mean, I don't know, he didn't really want the smoke, and I don't blame him. I mean, I don't think those stickers had much horsepower. But anyways, the Supra was a whole lot of fun. Looking at some Mustang clips, man, I really missed that car. I already started talking with my shop on how we're going to do this, just trying to get a plan, and it is going to take some time. The Mustang is nowhere near going to be done soon. I have to drop it off, and then just to tear down and rebuild the motor alone is going to take like 6 to 8 weeks, he said. So that's not even including the fully custom twin turbo kit. So it's going to be down for quite some time, so I'm going to have to do some stuff to the Supra in the meantime to make it more fun and get some more content out for you guys. Anyways, until next video, peace.